I often find myself thinking about time, the intersection between time, people, places, and more recently, how quickly time passes. Now, before anyone thinks I've had an epiphany about religion or the universe, no. This is a 3-minute video about this guy and a vehicle. Think about any given moment in our lives and what transpired beforehand. The choices, the steps, and the actions that took place that brought us to that exact event. So it's 1987. I'm 2 years old, and the handsome little fella on the left is my brother Travis, teaching me to read and not pick my boogers. Meanwhile, at this exact moment halfway around the world in Nagoya, Japan, the folks at Mitsubishi are assembling one fine little Montero. It would travel to the United States and get driven for 19 years and 119,000 miles. But in 2006, it gets left for dead on the edge of a pasture and then given up on for 17 years. In 2006, I was 21, no idea what to do with my life, and still trying not to pick my boogers. But these two timelines would intersect. We would find this Montero sitting on the side of a road, decide it had just a little more life left in it, and set about rebuilding it from the block on up. So welcome back to the living, Rowdy Ruth. It wasn't your time. And you know what? The best miles are still in front of us.